I saw some reports about some of the dams na were releasing water. And I cannot forget the experience that we had in Cagayan Valley a few months ago, almost a year ago, na nagbitaw ang Magat, and then nagkabaha-baha. So can we hear who can tell us what the situation is there and what are we doing? I understand you may have to release water, but how are we making sure that we are not flooding the downstream?
Yes po, Mr. President. Bago po dumaan yung bagyo sa...
You identify yourself and what your agency is.
Administrator Vic Malano, Pag-asa po. Mayroon po akong dito, data from our office, na bago po dumating yung bagyong si Carding, nag-preemptive release po yung Magat kasi yung kanyang level during the time ay malapit na po doon sa tinatawag nating normal water high ng ang kanyang opening hanggang ngayon po ay nagre-release pa rin po. 1 gate yung kanyang bukas at 1 meter po yung height yung nire-release niyang tubig. Kasama na din po yung yung Ipo Dam kasi malapit na rin po doon sa normal water level yung kanyang yung tubig. So ang sinasabi po natin bago magkaroon ng baha ay nagpapa-release na sila para hindi po umapaw yung tubig ilog. So yun po yung ating ginawa at ay yung ginawa ng dam operators po natin. Ang Magat po ay operated by NIA at yung yun po namang Ipo ay sa NWSS po. Opo.
Okay. Anyway, okay. How do we make sure na hindi magkabaha sa downstream?
Kaya po ginagawa yung preemptive release po.
Ginagawa yung?
Preemptive release po ng tubig. So yun yung ginawa during the past 2 days ng Magat.
Did you have to evacuate ng tao sa downstream pag bitaw niya ng tubig?
Binibigyan po natin ng 6 hours before mag-release po. Binibigyan po natin ng abiso na magre-release po tayo. At ito po yung sinasabi.
Bakit? Inaabutan talaga sila?
Mayroong mga critical areas.
May mga areas na inaabutan sila.
Opo. Sa ngayon po, ang ating mga dams ay marami pa pong kulang yung iba, lalong-lalo na po yung Angat. Although umangat kahapon hanggang ngayong araw na data ng about 7 meters, hindi pa po tayo umabot sa normal water high level during this time. Ang ibig sabihin po ng normal water high, lahat po ng pangangailangan ay binibigay.
Okay. All right. Siyempre, sige, that's mabuti. At least we need water anyway. Dapat minamanage natin. But bantayan nyo na mabuti. We don't want that incident to happen na sabay-sabay na nagbitaw, hindi nag-warning sa mga affected areas na magbibitaw ng tubig. Kaya nagka-problema. You be very, very careful about that. Kontrolado naman natin So kontrolin natin. Huwag tayong the coordination required is going to be important na if Ipo Dam, Magat, hindi yung basta't hindi kayo nag-uusap. Kailangan naka-coordinate na mabuti. So it's NIA and
MWSS po yun.
Halo-halo talaga yung sa water. Maybe we should have somebody from we'll arrange to talk to somebody from them para to make sure na walang problema. Yeah. Okay.
We closely coordinate with the group.
Yes. Oo. Pero hindi, very technical yung problema niyo, yung trabaho niyo So you have to decide kung paano. Hindi namin masasabi sa inyo because it's a technical exercise. So but you have to make sure that whatever it is you do na hindi magbaha. That's it. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Yeah, that's what we need to worry about. All right, thank you.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.